Good day everyone, I'm Hanigi Andres from BSIT3A and this is the explanation of my code. Lab 8, Logistic Regression. First, we need to import pandas and PD as PD. Stag load the dataset for these are the column names for the dataset. The original file doesn't have headers, so we define them manually. For the data was to pd.read_csv. We need to load the dataset from adult.data csv. As tag display the first few rows for the data.head. It shows the first 5 rows of the dataset so you can check if it was loaded correctly. Next, and this is the output. Next, hashtag check for missing values. Checks how many missing values there are in each column. For data equals to data.drop_na, it removes all rows that contain missing values. For the data equals to pd.get_dummies, it converts categorical columns like sex, education, etc. into numerical format using one-hot encoding. For the drop first equals to true, it avoids the dummy variable trap by dropping one category per feature. For the x equals to drop income underscore greater than 50k, access equals to 1, and y equals to data income underscore greater than 50k. The x features independent variables while the y is the target variable, which is 1 if income is greater than 50k, otherwise 0. This is the output. Next, from scalar.model underscore selection import train underscore test that split the data into training and testing sets. It imports the function used to split data into training and testing parts. And it splits the data into 70% for training and 30% for testing. For the random state equals to 42, it ensures the same split every time for reproducibility. Next, and for the last, from scalar.linear underscore model import logistic regression, create the model max underscore iter equals to 1000. It imports the logistic regression model class from scikit-learn and creates a logistic regression model. Allows up to 1000 iterations for the model to converge. Sometimes the default of 100 isn't enough. And trains the model using the training data for the X and Y train. This is the output of the logistic regression. Thank you for watching. God bless.